If you're preparing for your first HVAC interview and don't know what questions employers usually ask, then this video is for you. Whether you're a diploma holder, mechanical engineer, IT student, or a fresher applying for an HVAC, MEP, or facility management job, this video will help you prepare with confidence. Today, we'll discuss the most common HVAC interview questions along with simple and professional answers. Let's get started. Question 1. What is HVAC? Answer. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Heating keeps the building warm during cold weather. Ventilation supplies fresh air and removes stale or contaminated air. Air conditioning controls temperature, humidity, and indoor air quality to provide a comfortable environment. HVAC systems are widely used in homes, offices, hospitals, shopping malls, hotels, airports, and industrial buildings. Question 2. What is the purpose of an HVAC system? Answer. The main purpose of an HVAC system is to maintain indoor comfort. It controls temperature, humidity, airflow, and air quality while providing fresh air and removing unwanted heat and contaminants. Question 3. What is an AHU? Answer. AHU stands for Air Handling Unit. It conditions and circulates air through ducts. An AHU typically contains filters, cooling coil, heating coil, fan, dampers, and a mixing box. It is commonly used in large commercial buildings. Question 4. What is an FCU? Answer. FCU stands for Fan Coil Unit. It consists mainly of a fan and a cooling or heating coil. Unlike an AHU, an FCU normally does not supply fresh air. It recirculates room air. FCUs are commonly used in hotels, apartments, hospitals, and office rooms. Question 5. What is the difference between AHU and FCU? Answer. AHU supplies fresh air and serves large areas through ductwork. FCU mainly cools or heats individual rooms and usually recirculates indoor air. AHUs are larger, while FCUs are compact and installed near the conditioned space. Question 6. What is a chiller? Answer. A chiller removes heat from water and supplies chilled water to AHUs and FCUs for air conditioning. It is commonly used in malls, airports, hospitals, and large commercial buildings. Question 7. What is a cooling tower? Answer. A cooling tower removes heat from condenser water. It is used in water-cooled chiller systems to reject heat to the atmosphere. Question 8. What is refrigeration? Answer. Refrigeration is the process of removing heat from one place and transferring it to another using a refrigerant. Question 9. Name the basic refrigeration cycle components. Answer. There are 4 main components: compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator. These 4 components complete the refrigeration cycle. Question 10. What is a compressor? Answer. A compressor compresses low-pressure refrigerant gas into high-pressure, high-temperature gas. It is known as the heart of the refrigeration system. Question 11. What is an evaporator? Answer. The evaporator absorbs heat from indoor air. As the refrigerant evaporates inside the coil, it cools the air passing over it. Question 12. What is a condenser? Answer. The condenser releases heat to the outside environment and converts refrigerant gas into liquid. Question 13. What is a thermostat? Answer. A thermostat senses room temperature and controls the operation of the HVAC system to maintain the desired temperature. Question 14. What is a damper? Answer. A damper controls the airflow inside ducts. Different types include fresh air dampers, return air dampers, and fire dampers. Question 15. What is CFM? Answer. CFM means cubic feet per minute. It is the unit used to measure airflow. Higher CFM means more air is supplied. These are the top 15 HVAC interview questions for freshers. Practice these answers to improve your confidence before attending an interview. In the next video, we'll cover 15 more advanced HVAC interview questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global MEP Academy.